Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial we are going to learn how to set up Google Drive for your PC or desktop. So guys, let's start with the video. With this setup you can able to synchronize your desktop folder and file to Google Drive automatically, or you synchronize your Google Drive files to your desktop. Okay, so let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let's start with the video. So guys, first come to the Google and search here download Google Drive for PC. Okay, and just click on first link, and here you can see this is Google Drive official website. From here you can download the Google Drive application for your PC or Mac. Okay, so just download. After download, one set of file will be download. Now you have to install it. Okay, after install you will have this Google Drive icon here on your right side in bottom, or you can search from here like Drive. Okay, so I just click on this icon here. Okay, you have to click on it. Then I have already set up my Google Drive, so it's look like that, but you have to log in here with your email ID. You can go to the setting, and here you have, they will ask you the login, or you have to click on preference. Then this window will be open, Google Drive preference. Okay, then there is a two option. First you can you have to log in with your account. You can log in here with your account where you want to synchronize your folder, and you can add another account here. If you want to add multiple account, you can add another account here. In setting you will have like the real-time present in Microsoft Office. There is a storage upload site original quality. If you want to upload the photos original quality, you can upload. So just leave it as it is. And now here you can see there is a two option, my computer and my drive. In my computer you can upload, you can synchronize your folder from your computer. So just click on it and add folder. I have add one folder here. You have to add folder from here. Just click on add and select the folder which you want to add or want to synchronize to the Google Drive, and it will be add here. You can add multiple folder here. And now in Google Drive here you can access your Google Drive folder to your computer. Okay, so there is a two options, stream files. This will be store all your Google Drive file in cloud only, and this is only this store all drive file in cloud and your computer. Okay, just click on it and uh, click on it and come back. Okay, so in when you synchronize your folder in my computer, it will be synchronized, and it will be fine here in my computer option in Google Drive. Okay, you will have all folder which is synchronized from your computer. You can add multiple computer or device, and you will have this all synchronized folder. And if you okay, so if you make it like, if you come here and if you click on this option, you will have the Google Drive or Google Explorer in your Google file. Okay, so your computer file, if you click on your computer file, here you can see here in file explorer you will have this Google Drive option, and you can open and edit your file. Okay, and you will have you will also have the file or Google Drive option in your my computer or this computer. This is my Google Drive. This drive will be automatically created for you, and you can open the my drive and you can access your all files offline also. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.